Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my channel Automation with Priyanka. Today in this video, I will be discussing about how to install Node.js on our local machine. So I will be covering Windows platform and along with that, how to install Visual Studio, right? So very first, what is Node.js? Guys, Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment, okay, which actually helps developer to create the web application outside the browser. So you can just refer this is a environment through which we can run our JavaScript application, right? So the point is how to install it. That is the first question. So you can just search on Google, okay, Node download for Windows platform. And there you will see this official website, download Node.js. So you can see nodejs.org site. Just click on this. When you come to this page, you can observe different platforms. And as per the different platform, you can install Node on your local machine. So currently I'm using Windows, right? And by default, it is taking the same platform. Currently, this is a LTS, which is a stable version, right? So if I can scroll down, now just have a look. Here, I'm having directly this Windows MSI installer file. Okay, so what you need to do is just click on this installer and the file will download here. Okay, see, this is the Node.js file. And once it is successfully downloaded, right? Now we can open it in a folder and just have a look. I can directly double click on this file. So it will open one wizard, right? And let's install it now. So guys, just click on next, accept the agreement. Then you can click on next. Again, you can see this is the location where the node will install in your machine. Then click on next. Again, do next. Do not need to change any setup. Just click on next. And finally, you will get install option where you can install. It might ask you to allow the access, right? Allow it and just install Node.js on this local machine. Now you can see it will complete that installation step, right? And there you can see Node, which is available in your system, right? How you will confirm it, which version we are having for a node. Guys, if you search in the command prompt, okay, let's say initially if you search, you will see node is not recognized as a command. But now if I try, okay, node hyphen v, that's a command. There you can see now currently I'm having Node 22 version in my local machine. Whenever you install Node, right, you will be getting Node Package Manager by default. So just check npm, okay? So npm Node Package Manager hyphen v and see currently I'm having Node Package Manager version which is 10. And this is all about for Node setup, like how you will install Node.js on your local machine. I hope this video will help you a lot, right, for your, the entire setup part. So let's see Visual Studio installation in our next session. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching this video.